Today, we're breaking down the top 5 humidifiers on Amazon right now, each with its own strengths. Whether you need something simple and quiet, smart and powerful, or perfect for a nursery, remember using the links in the description below is the best way to check the latest prices and support our channel at no extra cost to you. Let's dive in. Starting us off at number 5 is the DREO4 L-Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. This model is a fantastic balance of performance, capacity, and value, which explains why over 40,000 people have bought one in the past month. It features a supersized 4-liter tank that can run for up to 36 hours on a single fill, meaning you can enjoy continuous moisture all night and through the next day without constant refills. Its dual intake and 4-inch mist outlet creates a remarkably tall mist plume, up to 40 inches, helping to quickly humidify larger bedrooms. But power isn't its only perk. It operates at a library-quiet 28 decibels, so it won't disturb sleep. The top-fill design is a game-changer for easy refilling and cleaning, and it also functions as an aroma diffuser and has a gentle night light. For a straightforward, effective, and quiet cool mist humidifier that covers a lot of square footage, the DREO is a stellar and popular choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Humidifier 3.6-liter Cool Mist Humidifier. This Amazon's Choice pick is a champion of quiet operation, boasting a near-silent noise level of just 23 decibels thanks to its exclusive silent spray technology. That makes it an exceptional option for light sleepers, baby nurseries, or anyone who needs absolute quiet for deep rest. Its 3.6-liter tank offers a lengthy 34 hours of runtime. Like our previous pick, it features a convenient top-fill design with a wide opening, making refills mess-free and cleaning simple. It's also a 3-in-1 unit, combining a humidifier, an essential oil diffuser, and a customizable mood light. Humidifier emphasizes safety with auto shutoff and BPA-free materials, offering peace of mind for families. If your top priority is ultra-quiet, undisturbed sleep in a medium-sized room, the Humidifier delivers beautifully. Taking the number 3 spot is the Boxing 4.5-liter Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier. This model stands out by giving you the best of both worlds: warm mist for faster relief and cooler room temperatures, and cool mist for standard use. Its warm mist technology is noted for delivering moisture about 30% faster, which can be a game-changer for quickly easing sinus congestion and dry throats. It has a large 4.5-liter capacity, good for up to 45 hours, and can handle spaces up to 600 square feet. A key feature is its built-in humidistat and auto mode, which actively senses the room's humidity and works to maintain it in that ideal 45 to 60% range automatically. It comes with a handy remote control for adjusting settings from across the room, and its sleep mode turns off all lights for total darkness. For those who want versatile mist options, hands-free automation, and remote convenience, the Boxing is a powerful all-in-one package. Our runner-up at number 2 is the classic Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier. This is a trusted, filter-free workhorse from a brand with a century of experience in relief care, and it's even the number 1 brand recommended by pediatricians. It uses warm mist generation, which is naturally sterile and is excellent for providing soothing relief from cough and congestion, especially when used with Vicks VapoPads or VapoSteam for that recognizable menthol scent. Its 1-gallon tank provides about 24 hours of quiet operation in rooms up to 600 square feet. The top-fill design is simple, and it features an auto shutoff for safety and a helpful night light. If your primary goal is to alleviate cold and flu symptoms effectively with a no-fuss, reliable, and medically trusted humidifier, the Vicks model remains an enduring and excellent choice. And finally, our top pick for the best overall humidifier is the Levoit Smart Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier, the Oasis Mist 4.5 liters. This is the pinnacle of smart, customizable comfort. It combines warm and cool mist functionality with its warm mist set at a safe temperature to reduce white dust while providing that faster, cozier hydration. Its double-duct design and strong output allow it to humidify large rooms quickly and evenly. Where it truly excels is in its smart features and automation. You can connect it to the VSync app for full remote control, scheduling, and creating routines that fit your life. Or you can simply use its auto mode, where its built-in sensor maintains the perfect humidity level for you, between 40 and 60%. The 4.5-liter tank is easy to top fill and clean. For the viewer who wants cutting-edge convenience, app integration, precise environmental control, and the flexibility of both mist types, the Levoit Oasis Mist is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it solution for a healthier home.